Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back to UiPath Forms tutorial series. In this video, we will learn how to concatenate a string or combine text dynamically using advanced logic in UiPath Forms. So, let's get started. In many form-based scenarios, we often need to combine multiple input values to generate a dynamic output. For example, creating a full name from a first name and last name, joining text to write a customized greeting message. We will create a simple form here where a user will enter their first name and last name, and form will dynamically generate the full name and display it in another text field. So let's start by designing our form. Let's create a new form. We'll say join text. Let's take here one header. We will say concatenate text. Save. We will take here three text field, one for first name, second for last name, and third for full name. And this full name, we will make it disabled. This is read only, so that user cannot type anything. Okay. Now user will enter first name and last name here, and then based on the calculation we will show the full name here. To show full name, we need to click on edit for this full name. In the field key, we have taken first name for the first name text field, last name for the last name, right? We will go to logic. Logic name, we can put it like concatenate string. From type, we will select JavaScript. In the JavaScript text area, we need to return the value, return the result. So we'll say return and then result and semicolon. Now go to action. Click on add action. Enter here action as a join. Type, we will select value, and then here we need to write JavaScript code. So we will write here data. This is the data object which we are going to access the value of the first name field and the last name field. So data dot first name. This first name we are taking from the field key of the first name and the last name. So we'll write here data dot first name plus. Now I want to concatenate these two string and also one space. So I will say double quotes, one space plus, and then I will write data dot last name. Data from the first name and data from last name we'll take here, and then we'll concatenate with one extra space. After that, we need to assign this to one variable, and then we can return the value. So I can take it like full name, and here I can say close this with the semicolon, enter, and then return full name. We can also type here return result. Now save the action, save this logic, and save this. Now save here, go to main. Here we have taken show form activity to show that to display the form to user. Now from the select form, we will select this join text form which we are going to display. Okay, no need to do anything in the arguments. Let's run that quickly. Okay, now you can see we have first name, last name, full name. Once you will type here any text here, any string here, you will see the value updated here itself. Let's say I'm going to put here my first name, so Manish. You can see that has been added here. That is showing. Now I will write my last name, so it's Pandey. Now you can see here both string has been combined here. So first name, one space, and last name. You can also type like hi, this is Manish Pandey, and then welcome back. So you have now learned how to combine text in UiPath Forms using advanced logic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment your thoughts or questions, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more UiPath tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.